Ram Ram Hai Ram Ram Te Ram Rama Ram Ram Te Ram Ram Te Ram Ram Te Ram Ram Te Ram. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, week 15, lesson 103. In this lesson, we shall be attending to the formulation Mam Dham, Lord Krishna as Shri Bhagavan preserves the enlightenment in divine dialogue of Gita, as that there is his Dham, Mam Dham. This formulation deserves to be approached for its letters text translation into numbers text, which takes us to 10, 10, 9 and 10, 20, 19, 39, and the same is Maheshwar, Transcendental Lord Shiv's. So the Dham of Krishna, Dham of Krishna as Shri Bhagavan is Maheshwar. We must remember that 2 plus 3 is 5, takes us to 5 space, and 2 into 3 is equal to 6, takes us to 6 space. And also we know that hypercube 5 is having 6 space as its origin, and it is h5 and small h5, 18 and 19, and it is 37. So Lord Krishna as Shri Bhagavan as 37 as dimension will take us to 39 as domain. Therefore, 37 as dimension, when takes us to 39, it is said Shri Bhagavan has his Dham. It is a reach from Shri Bhagavan to Maheshwar, or Shri Bhagavan as Maheshwar is the phenomenon, is the preservation, is the mathematics, is the science, is the technology, and it is to be learned. So when we are within a creator's space, that is a four space as hypercube 4, then its center is transcendental, and this initially is as a transcendental seal, and when there happens a visfort here, explosion, then as Brahma, there happens a split for the outer fold of the transcendental domain into a northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is this northern hemisphere which is small h5, while here is h5. This as a reach for the 37. When is a dimension, it takes us to 39. So we know that 6 space is of 13 geometries range, and 5 space is of a solid order. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 13 is 39. So it is the Mam Dham. We shall sit comfortably and permit our mind to be parallel with it. And once we will be glimpsing, and once we will be comprehending and imbibing as that the Dham, the home of the Lord Krishna, overlord of 6 space, is Maheshwar, means a reach within a creator's space. 13-edged cube coordinated with transcendental origin. Once it is appreciated and once it is comprehended, then we will be in a position to chase further, to be parallel further as to how the visfort which had taken place, explosion which had taken place, the 5-space domain which had split into its northern and southern hemispheres, and when the inner fold is there and the outer fold, actually the outer skin has been removed, when it is this form of this 59 is added to 700 shlokas, and these 59 are the vachas, then what it is? What is this happening? There is happening a reversal back of the phenomenon. 5 space takes us to 5, 3, and 1, and if we go beyond, it becomes -1, reversal. And origin takes us 6, 4, 2, and a 0. It is this phenomenon of resynthesis for the 4 space, which as an domain, when transits and transforms into its another role of a creative dimension of a 5 space, or Brahma multiplying tenfold, becoming 10 Brahmas, a phenomenon of resynthesis It is this resynthesis phenomenon. Then what happens? It amounts to a sun sthapana, means this 13 value has its sthapana. And sthapana is, this is 10, 6, and 10. It is 26 and it is 39. So when Lord is in his dham, then Lord acquires the potentialities of Sansthapana. See the features of Mam Dham. See, Mam Dham is 39, is Maheshwar, and here the potentialities are of Sun. This is 13 and it's a Sthapana. It is 26. So 13 and 26, 39. Therefore, Mam Dham, the home of Lord, is having these potentialities of Sansthapana. And this sthapana is to be done of a dharma. So dharma is 20, Sansthapana is 39, together it becomes 59. So dharma sthapana 59 as such becomes Uvachas. Uvach is 15 plus 13 is 28. It is Brahm. So there is going to be sthapana of a Brahm, and 59 is equal to 28 plus 29, together is 57. It is 19, 19 and 19, and it as dimension takes us to 59. These features of Dharma Sthapana deserve to be comprehended well. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic mathematics and sciences, Vedic mathematics, sciences and technologies, then one is to understand, one is to compile all the features of the home of Lord, Mam Dham. This Dham, this home, this place, this reservoir is of the potentialities of Sansthapana, means 6 space of its 13 geometries has an statement 26, which is a Devta. It becomes God's place. This Sthapana is happening. Here is a Chit. When the consciousness is having a divine format. This is also called Kram Samapti, the sequential progression's ultimate reach. It is here up till which the progressions can take us. It amounts to a linear progression and spatial progressions both simultaneously happening within a plane is spatial order. Therefore, the understanding, the intelligence is to be of this order. It is this Sansthapana, and then one is to appreciate it in terms of avtaran, how it descends, how transcendence takes place. It is 1, it is 8, it is 4, it is 4, and it is 8. See, it is 9 and 16. This is Vishnu. So the Avtarana is as a Vishnu. Lord Krishna is incarnation of Vishnu. So Lord Krishna as Vishnu is the features of this Avtaran. Further, we know that the enlightenment as preserved in a divine dialogue, Gita, in chapter 4, is that when there is a reversal orientation for dharma, when it is a galani, this is 20, this also is a 20. So it's neutralized when it stands neutralized, and with the reversal of orientation, when it is 40, then it becomes Divya Janam. It is this Divya Janam as Southern Hemisphere 19. And then it is Utthanam, Abhyuthanam. And these enlightenment preservation of the divine dialogue deserves to be reappreciated, deserves to be recomprehended as to how the Mam Dham, which is of potentialities of Maheshwar, and when it is for Sanstapana and 39 are the gaps of 40, and that is the reason that Dharma 20 has a Galani reversal for itself. Now, what the Lord says that Avtaran as Vishnu is there. What for? For Sanstapana, and what it gives to in case of a Dharmagalani, and in case of maintenance of Pavitra Sadhu, and for Vinash of Dushkrit. See, the Sanstapana and purity, sublime purity as sadhu, and reversal or destruction or removal of the bad acts. Pavitra is 20 and sadhu is 80. This Vinash is 22 and Duskrit is 24. So see what is happening. Here is 42 and here is also a 42. That means 2 increase and decrease phenomena. There is a increase and decrease phenomenon. Here is also increase and decrease phenomenon. It is from dimension to domain and domain to this. And 42 and 42 together make it 84. And this 84, we know when we are having linear progression 1 to 28, and when we are having a spatial progression 1 to 28 or double digit numbers, then the total factors here are 84. These factors, 84, make this phenomenon. So see, the Vedic mathematics is the mathematics